Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to check the ink level estimates on an Epson XP-442. Now you want to be on the main screen of the printer, which will look something like this. If you're not there already, just press the home button to be returned there. Now we're going to use the right arrow to move along until we get to setup, which you can see indicated by a screwdriver and a spanner. So we press OK to go in, and ink levels is the very first option, so we press OK. And here you get a visual representation of black, yellow, magenta and cyan, showing you roughly how much ink is in your printer. Now the good thing about these Epson printers is you can carry on printing until the ink runs out, and the printer's pretty good at telling you when to change the cartridge. So if you're looking to check the ink level estimate to diagnose a print quality issue, it's most likely not going to be that the cartridge is running low. So I'd recommend checking out our other videos on cleaning and test pages, which we also have on our channel. And if you want to do cartridge replacement, you can do that from here as well, and it takes you through it on screen. But that's about all there is to see here. If you found this video useful, please do let us know with a like. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.